Maligayang Pasko sa lahat and Happy New Year. Itong Christmas sa Michigan, malamig, may snow. Siguradong busog na kayo by this time, and alam ko naman masaya pa rin kayo dyan kahit medyo umalis yung mga tao at pumupunta sa iba't ibang lugar. Pero I know in the future that we will all be together again, and pwede dyan or kahit saan dito sa Amerika. So let's all pray that sometime soon we'll see each other and celebrate the new year again with the whole family. Just a message to the kids. I hope that you do appreciate to be part of this big family. Give all your love and respect to everyone, and I know based from experience that pag napalayo na kayo dyan, mamimiss nyo ang lahat ng tao. Mamimiss nyo ang mga tawanan, mga iyakan, syempre mga kainan, mga kahit umupo lang dyan sa kahit saan at magtawanan or anything like that. So just and I want to just tell everyone that even though I haven't told you before, I guess each and every one of you inspired me to where I am right now, and I am very thankful for that. And you have no idea how I really want to be there with you and spend the holidays with you this year, but maybe next year or 2 years from now I will be able to go there and celebrate Christmas with all of you. That's all. Merry Christmas to all of you, and I hope that you'll all have a very good New Year. I miss you all, and see you all soon.